Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Photos. Google.com or the Photos app to start the restore process. Tap the three lines and choose Trash to view deleted items. Google keeps deleted items in trash for 60 days before permanent deletion. Select the photos or videos you want and tap Restore to return items to your library. Restored files appear in albums and search with original dates and metadata preserved. If you deleted an item from a device, check device trash folders as well for recoverable files. Act quickly because items older than 60 days cannot be restored from trash. Open Photos settings and confirm backup and sync was enabled before deletion. If syncing was active, check linked device backups in Google One or device backup settings. Download backups from Google One or your device and reupload missing photos to Photos. Google.com. Use Google Takeout to export your entire Photos library as a zip archive for recovery or migration. After export, unzip files on your computer and upload them using the Upload button on Photos. Google.com. Reuploaded photos retain file names, but may lose some Google Photos metadata and automatic album groupings. Always verify if trash is empty and backups do not contain the photos. Contact Google support for help. Paid Google One subscribers receive prioritized support, which can assist with account recovery. Always enable two backup methods, such as device folder backup, plus cloud backup, and sync for redundancy. Regularly export your full Photos library with Google Takeout and keep a local copy on an external drive. Use consistent naming and folder structure when storing exports to make future restores faster. Finally, confirm backup settings after any device change or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.